Space is tight. I'm not sure if I can get a really good camera angle because it's just nowhere to put the tripod. I need to make a thing, a gantry. Anyway, it's going to be a bit like a CCTV camera stuck in the corner. Let's give it a go. I'll show you what I'm doing. That's a full 8x4 sheet of 12mm ply, and I've simply got to cut it down into 150mm strips down its entire length. It's muggy and humid here. We might have thunderstorms, which provide a lovely soundtrack. I'm going to shut the door to contain the sound. It is Saturday after all, and let's go. I'm using this. This is very nice. So, you've seen this before. Just got to remember to set the measurement on the right side of the blade. It's not plugged in. I need that much more room. How do you see that? That much more room. Can I push this camera? Yeah, that might do it. Everything's in the way of everything else. No, not quite enough room. Need a bigger shed. Oh dear. Here we go. Where's the focus? Thereabouts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 strips. I am going to run them through the table saw just to be spot on, but I'm going to cut them to the lengths they need to be first, according to the plan. Then I'll just make sure they're exact on width. Of course, the table saw is under there somewhere. We'll find it. Here we go. Recording. Look at this floppy here. I've gained a bit of space now. Having cut the full sheet down, no point showing that. Hear that? Farmers out shooting people that won't wear masks in shops. Crack on. So I'm going to start cutting them roughly to length, and I've decided to run through the table saw because it'll be more accurate. I'll put my fine blade on. It's not plugged in. I'm touching the blade. Let's cut the longest bits to length and I can start assembling once I've made some floor space. Next. Back again. I had a cup of tea and a muffin. White chocolate scented. Very nice. Got an idea. Essentially, where are we? Here we go. There's a bit of a gap under there because the floor is slightly not perfect, so I'm going to put something under there to make sure my pieces line up. Yeah, that didn't work. It does if I push down, that's fine. It's a new day in the Kent countryside. It's just started raining heavily. Fantastic. We've got thunderstorms on the way, I hope. Fingers crossed. Yesterday the battery, I've got 3 batteries for this camera and 2 are flat. So I've done some work on the thing that you can't see. Whoa, there's just the front. Let's get back to it and you'll see where I got. that right. There we go. I don't know how well that's showing up, but there's all the structure lines. Now the fun begins. Glue and pins. There we have it, 39%. I know that I've got to cut that out. I'll cut that out from above as and when I'm bold enough to do pass-throughs. Oh, excuse me, I think it's lunchtime. I'll give it a sand. Then I've got to clear all of that space to put it there. That's next. I can put the legs on then to get it all level. Back soon. It's in. It's up. I couldn't film putting it up. There's just not enough room around here, as you oh, dust in my throat. You can clearly see it's a bit higgledy-piggledy. It takes up a quarter of the floor space. But it's in, and there's plenty of room underneath. I'm going to put some storage under there, apart from where the pass-through is. I'll go and have a shower now. So there it is, one tension table. It's as level as I can get it. Oh, so difficult to walk in it. It's solid, it'll take my weight. It's got a bit of wobble. I'll eliminate that with some bracing on the legs perhaps. There's only a couple of screws holding each one, but we'll assemble the CNC on top after giving it a sand and a coat of varnish, and see how it goes. Right, go and edit a video. Yeah!